Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 18th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir down 27 cents, 0.17%, closed at 12.15. Post-market, we are up by 2 cents. So we lost 12.37. We stayed above 12.37 for 4 days, and now we are just dropping below it. Yeah, I'm going to remove this support line here because Palantir does not care about it at all. So I'm going to draw this new resistance line, and I am drawing it right here as this move here was just a little pullback from the move down. And the stock is going further down. Yes, okay, yes, it's still taking into consideration our support at 1194. That's nice for us. This is telling us that we had our lines in the right place. But yeah, the stock is tanking. Let's go see the 1 hour charts. Yeah, so basically we dropped below 12.37 during the first hour, but came back down. So some people bought it back up, but then the sellers were just too strong and the stock bull came back down. And now we have a little bit of a pullback, but we seem to be going down again. And we have stochastic at 24. We have pretty much everything in the tank. Let's go back to the daily chart. Stochastic at 9. So this is very low. We should be definitely going back to this support right here. Then we are going to see if we break this new resistance right now, if the stock is going to bounce on that support. So that's the big question right here. Let's take a look at the VIX quickly here. So VIX was shooting up a little bit during the day, but came back down throughout the day, but it started pretty high. So we still have to take a look at this here. We still have to take a look at the VIX, take this into consideration. Looking at the Dow Jones came back into this downward channel, still above 34,333, but look at stochastic, extremely low. So I would not be surprised if it starts to go down even further. S&P 500 is increasing its speed. I'm going to do it right here. So it's increasing its speed of descent. So the rate of descent was this one here. And now it's increasing its descent. Stochastic at what, 8? Yeah, stock market is not looking too good, my friends. Nasdaq Composite, stochastic at 7. Yeah, I think, and also Nasdaq 100 going down, and stochastic is especially very low. Yeah, we had this nice little move up, so that was nice. We could make some money right here, but if you want to go long, then this was not your week last week or the week before, and so far it does not look like it's going to be for this week. We need to break this resistance right here to have a change in trend. This is the resistance that you all need to look at. Let me make it purple. This is what you need to look at. If not, we keep going down. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.